Hi guys, welcome to Around Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this really nice shower head. It's a handheld shower head. Perfect. It comes with everything needed to install. It's got a pre-installed rubber gasket over here, and then it's got a removable water flow restrictor, so that's also really nice. It's got a universal G1.5 interface as well. It comes with everything, even like the tape for you to put on the, the right here, like on the joints, so that way there's no water leakage. This is perfect. It comes with everything needed. I love it. It's a non-slip silicone design, really simple to use. It has 8 sprays, spray motion, like water motions. It has dripping, 6 sprays, and then 2 jet modes. So it's got dripping, rain, rain and misty, misty, misty and massage, massage, wide fan, and point jet. Those are the 2 jet cleaning, and those you just put right here, and it starts shooting out of this side. So this is perfect for cleaning like your shower head and everything. It's a really beautiful shower head, super simple to use. You just twist and you get and you change between your spray modes, and installation, very simple. You just install these pieces onto your poles, install this all together, connect it, and you're ready to go, which I'll show you later. But overall, great shower head and super easy to install, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.